Ladies and gentlemen, today is March 17, 2019. It's a Sunday afternoon. We had a team in here joining the Cow Palace gun show. And the reason we joining the gun show is very simple. San Francisco has been lawless, out of order. The local government representatives has been out of control. They do not obey the United States Constitution. If you think the government is going to protect you with the way that we are going, they're not going to protect you. You need to learn how to protect yourself. And that's why we joined the gun show. And for the purpose of demonstration, I do. A gun is for people to protect families, protect your country, and protect your city. I'm telling you, I'm a government employee myself. I have been for the last 15 years. There is so much corruption we see. When I become a mayor, I will be representing you. We're going to clean up City Hall for you. We're going to get the money back for the people who pay high taxes. And thank you.